it's Professor Kettler. I am going to shoot this video for you for your first Explore assignment. So if you go to Assignments, you can click on the Module 1 assignment. Sorry, I'm logged in as a person. Hold on, sorry about that. Okay, so if you go to Assignments and you click on the submission folder, here we go. It gives you like a little overview, and then the very first thing you want to do is download the worksheet. And we're going to open that up. Now, as you can see here, we need to be able to edit this worksheet. So as you can see, there's just questions listed here. The actual exploration is not in here. This is what you need to have open while you complete the exploration. So the exploration is actually found in the module. So you'll have to go to Module 1, and it is right here. So if you click on this, it will take you to the actual assignment. So you're going to read the overview, and then you're going to complete these two activities. There's an investigation, and then there's a web page to read, and then there's this video about atmospheric circulation to watch. And then this part says, oh yeah, go to the worksheet, but we already have that open. So the questions, you will, kind of delete where it says answer here, and you'll answer them as you go through. Questions A through D is mainly focused on this part right here, investigating Earth's energy budget. And then E, F, and G is based on this web page and then looking at the atmospheric circulation video. So that'll kind of give you a guideline of where to go to answer those questions. But we're going to go ahead and go into this investigation because this is what students tend to find the most confusing. So when you are looking at the question, it's asking what's the first law of thermodynamics and how is this applicable to the Earth's energy balance? So first of all, it's a two-part question, so make sure you're answering both parts. When you go into this investigation, you'll want to go right here where it says Investigation Earth's Energy Budget. And then you're going to want to read the information that is listed here. When you get to this part, you don't have to input these values or anything like that. It's just kind of like a check your knowledge sort of thing. Same thing right here. But you can, when you're looking for your answers, you can kind of go through, these things that are over here to find the answers. Especially whenever you look at, question like in B, it says, or in question C, sorry, it's talking about how there's 51 units of solar radiation, 21 units are emitted as outgoing radiation. So why does it emit this many and not 21? Almost all of these answers can be found reading through all of this information here. The other place you can go to is where it says the greenhouse effect. You can look at any of these, to help you with your questions. But if you get stuck on anything, just let me know and I can help you out. But it's not just in here that you'll find, this is where you're going to find the majority of your answers for A through D. But if you get stuck on anything, just let me know. The other one that students tend to struggle with is question F because it's a multi-part question. It says explain how and why the weather patterns differ in the locations. So what I mean by that is, what kind of weather patterns do we see at the poles in regards to like temperature, any kind of storms, and why is that so much different than the equator? You know, and what happens at the equator? Like, does it get a lot of hurricanes? You know, obviously, like what specific things are happening at these locations? What are their like normal temperatures, and why are they so different? Why is their location, you know, kind of like a sneak peek. It depends on their location and the solar radiation that they're getting. So you're going to want to kind of be real detailed in your answers here. And then as far as G, it's asking you to make a prediction about if we were to increase global temperatures by 2 degrees, what kind of weather patterns would change at the poles, the temperate zone, and the equator. So you don't want to put just like a one sentence answer here. You would want to say, you know, at the poles, it would, right, answer at the temperate zone. Can't spell today. Right? So you want to just make these predictions. And you're going to have to probably do a little bit of research on that in order to kind of help you answer that question, which is kind of the point of this. I would recommend that before you go into the exploration activities, that you complete the readings first. So like in this one, it's chapter 1 and chapter 9. There is information in there that can greatly help you out with this assignment. And not just, you know, the exploration itself. I mean, the exploration itself is great, but the readings will give you answers as well. And then when you get finished and you need to submit, so right, you're submitting this worksheet, you know, you'll just go in to the assignment and then you will upload your files. I don't know why they have record here. That should not be a thing. But yeah, you can just click upload and then you go and you find, you know, wherever your assignment is. I'm not sure what choose existing. Oh yeah, I wouldn't use that. Sorry. Exploring a little bit here. So yeah, so upload your completed work and then, you know, you should be good to go. Let me know if you have any questions. I know that this first one can be a little challenging, but I'm more than happy to help.